In our first chapter, we started with a 1952 copy of Weird Fantasy in the original CGC holder. This was a graded 8.0 from CGC, graded back in 2015. We proceeded to take it out of the slab for the purpose of dry cleaning and giving it a press. When this was originally graded, this book was not even considered for cleaning or pressing. It was just something that was not done back in those days. So when I look for these books, I look for this older labeling. That means that it has a potential for an increased value or a grade bump. So what I was thinking is we take it from an 8.0 to maybe an 8.5. But I wouldn't know until I actually took it out and examined it. After examining this book, it was noticeably that it was a little bit dirty, but not so much. It really had a good show quality to it. It had a good sheen to it, but I knew if we could clean it up a little bit, it would really improve the grade. So we started with a little bit of dry cleaning. We went through, used the pad, cleaned everything off that we could that was loose. Then once we did that, we started the process of using or examining the book and checking the pages for any abnormalities, any tears or things like that, but I didn't suspect that there was anything like that. After that, we went to the eraser bag, which is one of my favorite tools to use. This is a great tool for just cleaning everything without actually doing any damage to the book. I reserve the eraser pencil for really extreme things in this, but we really didn't need it in this case. I gently just rubbed, and we really did a good job in cleaning this up. We then used the horsehair brush, and we brushed away all of the eraser shavings. And I'll tell you, this bag just works great for this type of cleaning operation. It's probably one of my favorite go-to tools. So once we did that, we went inside the book and made sure there was no extra shavings. And then we took a quick look at it, and it was ready really to go right into the humidity chamber. Then a pressing, and then off to CGC. So now, how did it go? Did we get a grade bump? This book looked wonderful. It's a bondage cover with a reptilian alien on it. This is really one of the iconic EC books of its time. And I was very pleased with the outcome of how we did everything, and it just really, really presented well. And then we got an 8.5 as I was hoping for. So it was just a half a point grade pump, but it was really great how things turned out. This is a beautiful book. So anyway, I really appreciate you watching the channel, and please ask any questions. Thanks for watching.